Lesson 1. The Alphabet and Sounds of English. Podcast script. Hello and welcome to your first lesson in Aurea English Academy. Today, we are going to explore the beautiful sounds of the American English alphabet. This is where your journey begins. Don't worry if this feels new. Just relax, breathe, and enjoy each sound as it flows gently, like a soft melody. Let's start with the letters, one by one. A as in apple. B as in butterfly. C as in cat. D as in dog. E as in elephant. F as in flower. G as in garden. H as in house. I as in ice cream. J as in jewel. K as in kite. L as in light. M as in moon. N as in nest. O as in ocean. P as in petal. Q as in queen. R as in rose. S as in sun. T as in tree. U as in umbrella. V as in violet. W as in window. X as in xylophone. Y as in yesterday. Z as in zebra. Now let's put some of these letters together into soft, simple words. Apple, butterfly, cat, dog. Notice how each sound flows gently when spoken clearly. Let your voice mirror this calm rhythm. Repeat after me, softly and slowly. Feel the melody of each sound. Practice tip. Spend a few minutes every day repeating these letters and words. Let them become natural and elegant, like a whispered lullaby. In the next lesson, we will explore simple greetings and introductions, how to meet someone with grace and warmth. You've completed your first lesson. Replay it as many times as you like, and remember, every journey begins with a single whispered word.